Is it visible, Divya?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay. Um, uh, Navya,
Yeah.
do you know about memory allocation? Why do we use memory allocation? I can explain. Memory allocation means the process of execution.
Hello. Sorry, actually, my internet is gone. That's fine.
Okay.
Mm.
Um, Navya, if we define any variable,
Your voice is breaking.
Uh, yeah,
now
yeah.
Now
Your
it's
voice is breaking little bit. Can you check from your side?
okay. Is it
no, your voice is not.
okay, sir?
No, it is not okay, actually.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, a variable will. Am I visible? Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Why do we go for dynamic having static memory allocation?
Sorry, your voice is not good.
But there are some drawbacks, but not
No,
audible.
your voice is
Now,
audible,
Navya?
not audible. Yeah, it's fine now. While you're saying it is not audible, sir.
Okay, Divya. Do you know about static memory allocation?
Yeah, I know.
Uh, during compile time or runtime, memory will be allocated in static memory allocation.
During compile time, it will be.
Okay. Then what is the drawback by using static memory allocation?
Um, mm, it, um, it cannot be changed during execution. Um, so we cannot change the variables
Yeah.
now at the execution
Exactly.
time.
Yeah, it's correct. And one more thing is, I do one example. I am taking one integer array and I am allocating size for 5 elements.
Okay.
Uh, but I am allocating using
Normally your screen is not visible.
6 elements here. Is this memory is
Nandini, you're
sufficient?
no, actually we had given that
Hi. Yeah, Nandani,
Tell me
actually,
what is the size here? What is the size of array?
it is 5. We are given the
Not listening. Okay, give me one detail. Now audible, Navya?
now it is fine.
Okay.
But your screen is not visible to me.
Sorry, my screen is not here. Uh, Navya,
Yeah.
now is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Tell me what is the size of the array here?
It is 5. But you had given it 6. You have added it.
20 bytes now.
Yes.
Each element wants, each
Mhm.
integer element takes 4 bytes.
Perfect.
Here I am taking 5, so 20 bytes.
Mm.
But
Yes.
how many elements I am allocated here?
You had allocated 6 elements.
So these
It will
elements,
be-
how much memory is required?
It requires you had mentioned array as 20 bytes, but you had given extra 4 bytes, so it will show the error.
Uh,
I think so.
is memory insufficient?
Yes.
And tell me, here also 20 bytes needed for array, but I am allocated only for 2 elements.
Only 2 bytes.
So memory will be wasting.
It will be wasted.
Yeah, here
It
memory.
allocated.
Yeah, here
Yes.
memory is insufficient.
Yes.
Here memory will be
Memory will be wasted.
wasted. So that's why we are going for dynamic memory allocation.
Yes.
This is the drawback of static memory allocation.
Static memory.
Yeah, fixed size of memory we are taking. That's why memory will be insufficient. Means memory will be wasting, or memory will be like insufficient.
Yes.
So by using dynamic memory allocation, we can allocate memory during which time? During compile time or runtime?
Compile time. Compile time.
Dynamic memory allocation.
Oh, sorry. During runtime we can access.
Yeah.
During runtime.
During runtime.
Yeah.
Okay. Then how can we allocate memory during runtime?
Um, by we can give the elements. Um,
Like there are predefined functions.
yes, ma'am. Like Malloc, Calloc, and Realloc.
Exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Mm.
There are Malloc, Calloc, Realloc. These are used for
Mm.
allocating memory. And one more thing, free.
Realloc.
Freeing of memory.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, these are the predefined functions for allocating memory.
Mm.
Uh, these are all defined in one library. That is std.h. Do you know std.h?
Oh, sorry. Actually, I didn't listen the stress class. Okay.
Okay. No problem. stdlib.h is a header file that contains predefined functions like malloc, calloc, realloc, free declarations.
Yeah.
These declarations are inside this library, stdlib.h library. Okay. Then, why don't we use only malloc for memory allocation or calloc for memory allocation? Why do we have both malloc, calloc? Do you know?
Both has a different functionalities. Malloc is used for the single block of memory
Yeah.
of the specified sizes, and the Realloc we can use for the memory for arrays, and multiple we can use.
Yeah, but by using malloc, only single block of memory will be allocated.
Big allocator, yeah.
Yeah, for entire array, only single block of memory will be allocated.
Oh, yes.
But whereas in Calloc, multiple blocks will be like if you are having n elements, for n elements, each element having one separate block of memory contiguous memory allocated. Then realloc is used for reallocating the memory.
Really?
Like if you are define malloc or calloc for dynamic memory allocation, but we are having more elements. Like we have to resize the size of the memory. Then we use realloc. Okay. Uh, I will show one PDF. It was created by Anvesh sir. Uh, Navya, if you are learning so many models, sometimes confusing. So analyze with some analogy like real-time examples. Take some real-time examples. As I tell now, static memory allocation, memory will be shortage or memory will be more. So take this box here. This thing is not like insufficient space for this box now.
Yeah.
Here box size is more, but this thing is less. So space is wasting. This is the static memory allocation. Like as I tell us, by using static memory allocation, insufficient space or wastage of space is occurring. Like take some analogies and remember those. By practicing, you can habituated this. Like then here see malloc This is the this is the syntax for malloc.
Okay.
Okay. Malloc, as I tell, only one block will be allocated.
Mm.
I will tell you with one program example also. Just focus on this. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then only one block of size will be allocated using malloc.
Mm.
And Calloc, it will take two arguments.
Mm.
First is size. Uh, I mean number of elements we have to allocate, like how many blocks we have to allocate. Then
And size.
size. Yeah, size.
Yeah.
How much size we have to allocate for each block. And
Mm.
one more thing is malloc doesn't initialize the memory,
Yeah.
and whereas Calloc
Dynamic.
allocated memory will be initialized with 0.
0.
uh, if we are having n blocks, each block will be allocated with 0 byte.
Yeah.
Okay? Then we are having realloc.
Mm.
Okay? Realloc means resizes the previously allocated memory. Like if we want to more elements, we have to resize the allocated memory. No? So we have to use realloc.
Okay.
Okay? Then free is used to deallocate the memory.
Yeah.
What happens if we don't deallocate the memory?
Huh?
If we are allocated memory for an array,
Mm.
we are used that elements doing some operations, then we have to free.
Mm.
If we don't free means
It
memory
will
will be
be memory will be increased and we cannot access the another element. We cannot
memory
add
leak,
the
like
memory will
some
be
memory leak problems will be.
errors will be there.
Yeah. See this. Here malloc only one block will be allocated. Here I am taken 5 elements. For 5 elements I have allocated memory and one block is allocated. And here for 5 elements each 5 blocks are allocated. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Here I allocated memory for 5 elements, but I want to increase the size because I want size for 10 elements. Then that situation we use realloc.
Okay.
For increasing the memory, we use realloc,
Realloc.
resizing purpose. It also only one block will be allocated.
Okay.
Okay. For free, we use free function.
Okay.
Okay. I will tell you with one example.
Okay.
Navin, do you know about GDP? Actually, Navya is left.
Uh, yeah, I think due to the network issue.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she joins.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of network issue.
Okay. Navya, you are using Linux compiler also only? Yes.
Yeah, you
Or
went
C.
on our using.
Ubuntu.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Dave, do you know about GDB?
Oh, yeah, I know that.
GDP compiler we are using in
Yeah,
Linux platform.
I
Uh,
know that. Yeah.
okay. What is mean by GDB? Full form.
Like, informal.
Why I am asking means recently in one interview, this question is
Oh,
asked
yeah.
for me. Okay.
I don't know actually.
Uh,
Like it's an debugger compiler. I know that.
yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know the full form of the video.
No, not GDB, GCC compiler, na? In Linux. Yeah, in Linux. In Linux environment, we use GCC compiler.
Yeah,
GCC means, do you know?
I don't know actually. I didn't
GDB,
I didn't know that.
GDB compiler collection.
Okay. Is it compiler connection or a GNU compiler connection?
GNU, sorry,
Yeah.
GNU. I also
Mm,
GNU compiler collection.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Wait. Um, Navya, now tell me how can I allocate memory dynamically here?
Uh, yeah, I think Nabya left actually, so my internet connection was gone. Actually, she's saying actually my internet connection was gone. So
Okay, sir.
yeah.
She
Yeah.
My internet is not slow and it's not connected to my laptop.
Okay. Tell me, Navya, how can we allocate memory dynamically here?
Mm.
By using Malloc or else by using Calloc? Anything, tell me one.
Like using Malloc, we can allocate like Malloc. We can give the syntax like the void. We can use void and we
Uh,
can use it. No? Like giving
uh,
the size of.
okay.
Mm,
Malloc returns void.
mm,
We have to typecast with int.
enter. Yeah.
Here I am using because I am using integer pointer. No?
Yes. Yeah.
So we have to assign with pointer p.
Pointer thing.
What are the arguments?
Oh, like
Is it taking single argument or two arguments?
two arguments.
Malloc.
Or it will take only one single argument.
Uh, what
Malloc
is
will.
that? Yeah.
Oh,
What is that?
yeah. Here we are taking like in the n we are taking no, so we can do that.
Okay. And size.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. If memory is if here we have to check one condition.
Yes. If condition we have to use.
Memory allocated is failed. Then
Memory, we can say memory not allocated print
yeah,
like we can null.
when did yeah now
Mm.
here we have to print memory allocation is failed.
Oh yeah. We can use
Here what do we return 0 or exit 0?
if we can give a written 0.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the difference between what is written and what is exit?
Yeah, exit return means it will like for if we have the more arguments, so we can write return, or else we cannot write return. Also, it will be fine. But exit means it will be exited from the from present like what is it uh, argument. It will exit from the argument.
Actually,
And actually, it will be exited from the code only, the code also.
okay. Return will return will be exit from the loop, exit from the function.
Yes.
Whereas exit of 0 we will declare some programs. It is calling function.
Okay.
It will exit from that function.
Complete function
Exit
it will
0
exit.
we have.
Yeah, from a complete function it will exit. No?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Then here, how can we have to okay? What we have to do here? How can we enter the elements into an array? How can we enter the elements into an array?
By using for loop, you can. And here we have to initialize that I value also. Yeah.
we have to print the elements in the array.
Element of array. Here in main function like int, we have to initialize like I element.
Okay. Here also we use for printing the array elements for loop only.
Oh yeah, yes, for loop also.
Why means we have to iterate each element into the array, then we have to print each element. That's why we are using loop. That is for loop. Now we have to compile the code.
One second.
Okay.
Nandani, here you had not given the value in your in main function int. We have to initialize the I value element. Here int.
1 second.
No, sorry, you had it. Sorry. Oh, yes, okay. It's, I didn't see in here in for loop you had in.
In for loop only I taken the.
Yeah, sorry. I didn't see.
Or else we will initialize here also.
Yes.
It's fine. Okay.
That's the thing I was saying. Actually, I didn't see in that you had initialized here, so that's why I'm saying.
I will initialize here. Tell me any number of elements. How many number of elements she's left? Hi Vijay Teja. Okay, Navya. Tell me how many number of elements I have to enter.
Oh, sorry.
Here I compile the code.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
5 elements you can do.
Okay. Elements also tell me. You want to tell me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here 5 elements are printed.
Yeah.
So by using dynamic memory allocation at runtime, we are giving how much elements we have to initialize. Then that much memory will be allocated. Okay.
Yeah.
Then here we will use Calloc also.
Calloc. Yeah.
If we use Calloc means we have to pass 2 arguments, no?
Yes.
How many blocks we want, that is number of elements, then size of each block.
Yes.
Fine?
Yes.
Okay, we will come. Okay. Tell me how many elements we want. 5?
3.
3.
0, 5. Okay.
1 to 3.
24, 25. 5 with that. 2 days. Yeah, okay.
Here I am taking 3 elements. For these 3 elements, size will be allocated at runtime, and
Yeah.
this pointer array elements. Okay.
Yes.
Here we forget one thing. We have
Here.
to free the memory.
Yeah.
Okay.
Free array n.
Here we declared na integer pointer. We have to free that memory for that pointer.
Okay.
Actually, this pointer will point to first block of memory. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, n blocks are allocated. No?
Yeah.
So, T will be pointing to first block of memory.
Okay.
Like, when do we use realloc? Here, realloc.
Realloc.
Resizing.
Realloc. Sorry.
Realloc. Here I am allocated memory for n elements.
Yes.
But I taken 5 elements. For example, I am allocated memory for these 5 elements. I entered elements here, but I want more elements. Then I use realloc.
Okay. Like for changing size of
Yeah. Here I am changing size now. Here I declared n number of elements. Yeah, but here I am, for example, I will write. For a sentence like I want more elements. Yes, compiler asking enter the number of elements you want.
Okay.
Using scanf, we will use. Here I will use realloc. What are the arguments for realloc? Arguments for realloc. Pointer.
Array and number of size.
Yeah, array means pointer here. And
Pointer.
Size. Here we have to check this condition. If memory allocation fails, it will we have to enter the elements. Okay. Navya, is it confusing or clear? Okay. I will open this. Then what I have to do? Once again, for the I will take. Okay. Okay, Navya, here I will explain the code once again from the starting onwards. Okay. Here I taken how many elements I have to enter. Then by using Calloc function, I allocated memory. Okay. If that memory fails, like if it pointer written null, the memory will be fail allocation. So I displayed here. Then I have to enter the number of enter how many okay, and number of elements, like what are the elements I have to enter into the array. I have to enter here 10. I have displayed the array elements, what are the elements I have to allocate. Then here I display like I printed one sentence like if I want more elements in array. Then we have to increase the size of the array. Okay. Here by using scanf function, I will increase the number of elements count. Okay. By using realloc function, I reallocate the memory. Realloc only use if we use the before we use Malloc or Calloc. Okay. Because already memory allocated, we have to reallocate the memory. We have to increase the memory size. That's why we are using Realloc. If memory allocation fails, it will display this sentence. Then same thing, number of array elements, and we have to select the array elements. Okay. Now I will. Okay, in Calloc, here two arguments now we have to take, and number of elements, number of blocks, then size of each block. Okay. Uh, Here I am taking three elements. And the other elements are 10, 18, 30. It is displaying the other elements 10, 20, 30, and compare ones more elements into the. Now I want 5. So I have to increase the size in runtime. So I used Realloc. Then I entered the elements into the array. Right? It will display the array elements. Clear? This is dynamic memory allocation problem. And in interview, mostly interviewer asks about what is the difference between Malloc and Calloc. And then they will ask about what is dynamic memory allocation. Okay. If they ask what is DMA means, first you have to explain firstly what is memory allocation. Then you go with static memory allocation. Then explain them about what are the problems in static memory allocation. Then go with DMA. Okay. By drawbacks of static memory allocation, that is comparative memory allocation, we will use DMA. Then explain about all these functions, 3 different functions: Malloc, Calloc, Realloc. If they ask about Malloc and Calloc differences, you have to know what is Malloc, what is Calloc, how much blocks of memory allocated in both the things. And one more thing, Malloc is faster compared to Calloc. Because Malloc doesn't initialize the any memory. Like memory is allocated, but doesn't any value will not be allocated by Malloc. Whereas in block allocated memory will be each block will be initialized with 0. So it's okay. And compared to Malloc, Calloc is safer for using. Okay. By default, allocated memory is garbage value. If we use
it contains garbage values in Malloc.
Okay. And both will return pointed to the first block if memory is allocated. Or else if the memory is failed means they will return null. Okay. That is the thing about DMA.